So, a lot is happening in the world, and it's having a direct impact on the housing market. The reality is this: some of it's positive, some negative, and some we just don't know yet. Interest rates, building materials, and the outlook for an economic slowdown are three areas of the housing market which are critical to understand. Are low interest rates here to stay? The latest information from Freddie Mac makes it appear they are. We are currently at a 21-month low in interest rates. Talk of tariffs could also affect the housing market. According to a recent article, the National Association of Home Builders reports that as much as 10 billion in goods imported from China are used in home building. So depending on the outcome of the tariff and trade discussions between several countries, there could be as much as a 25% boost in the cost of building materials. And as for an economic slowdown, many economists are now projecting that it may begin in the next 18 months. So the bottom line is that we are in a very strong housing market. Wages are increasing, home prices are appreciating, and mortgage rates are the lowest they've been in 21 months. So whether you're thinking of buying or selling, it's a great time to be in the market.